Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about an update of Phoneum, the cryptocurrency. Well guys, if you haven't joined the Phoneum yet, then you can get the link in the description, and you can also download it from the Play Store and App Store. While creating a new account, you will be asked for the invitation code. Here is my invitation code and also mentioned in the description. If you do not use my invitation code, you will not get the 200 extra Phoneum. It means if you use my invitation code, there will be the win-win situation. It means we both will be the rewarded. As we already know that the price of Phoneum is $0.0001846 till this video is recorded and already listed in Probit Global and P2P B2B exchange, and now the PHT will get listed on 2 new exchanges in the July, but the Phoneum team haven't mentioned the name of the exchanges. In the cloud mining of the Phoneum, minimum withdrawal was 2000 Phoneum, and it is being very hard day by day to reach the minimum withdrawal, but now the minimum withdrawal limit has been reduced to 15,000 from 20,000 and will be reduced further in next 3 months. If you don't want to withdraw your Phoneum token, then you can stake it and get the monthly 1% staking reward, and you can stake minimum 20,000 PHT but not less than this. If you want to earn the more Phoneum token, then you can join the crypto card apps. It's available in Play Store and App Store. You can easily download it and earn the minimum 150 to 400 PHT once in a day. If you use my invitation code, then you don't have to lose the extra 200 PHT. It means you will get 200 extra Phoneum and also get 1000 PHT for the first time joining. I've already made a video about the crypto cards, and you will get it at the last of this video. Today only this much. Stay tuned with us for more exciting update and news. Show your love and support to our channel by subscribing and giving like the video. We'll be back soon with the next exciting videos. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.